Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa mahal na Aris with the fire elements. Lala Baby from Belgium, nagpapakilala po. Bigyan ko kayo ng timeless reading para sa buwan ng June. Ito po is general, hindi po ito private reading or personal reading. Kung bago po kayo sa aking channel, isang likes, subscribes, and share lang po. Para naman po mag-grow ang channel ni Lola. Salamat po. So tingnan natin your energy para sa buwan ng June. Okay? Ano naghihintay sa inyo? Saan ito iikot? Has it something to do about family? Your health? Your profession, friends, siblings, marriage, diba? Sandalit napasama na ring isa. So narito ang tinatawag na, okay, yan, the Page of Pentacles. Ano pinaghahandaan nyo? It's like dito, tinatawag na planned, nakaplano na, okay? Na-drawing na. Yan. Kung ano itong tinatawag na pinaghahandaan nyo. Okay? Ready na. Ready na ito. Okay? So narito yung tinatawag na the Four. Okay? The Four of Cups. Yan. So it's about your intention. Okay? Family, for family intentions, di ba? It's like kung ano ang kakulangan sa bahay nyo, okay? Pupunuan mo. Ibig sabihin nito, pupunuan mo kung ano ang kakulangan sa loob ng bahay. So, nakikita ko dito, it has something to do about family, di ba? Okay? Strictly family. Yan, ha? Okay. It's about your intention, okay? What you can do, what you can bring para itong pamilya na ito. Tinatawag na mabuhayan ng loob, di ba? Maybe sabihin na natin someone's in the family is very sick. Di ba? So, there is an action from you. Diba? So, nakikita dito. It's about your energy. The Eight of Wands. Okay? It's about your belief. It's about your religion. It's about your mind, higher mind. Diba? It's more about tinatawag na yung how you view, how you see life, di ba? In a different perspective. Ibig sabihin nito, hindi ka nawawala ng pag-asa. Okay? So, nakikita ko dito, it's more about family affair. You love your family so much. Okay? You will do everything for your family. So, naririto ang tinatawag na from the Eight of Wands to the Eight of Swords. Diba? So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na communication. Diba? So, it's like tinatawag na bonding. Okay? Communication between you and your loved ones. Okay? From the Eight of Wands to the Eight of Swords. Diba? Yan. The intention, nakikita dito. Involvement, nakikita dito. You're very, very involved dito. It's like you are updated what's going on within the family. Okay? So it's about your involvement. What you can do to ease. It's like kung may paghihirap, merong sakit, merong losses. Maybe they are experiencing sadness, di ba? It's about your involvement, okay? Your true intention, okay? It's like tinatawag, how you can help them. How can you ease the pain of your loved ones? That's why narito ang tinatawag na the stars, okay? The stars is ruled by the zodiac sign Aquarius. It's about tinatawag your past thinking, di ba? It's about tinatawag na how you make others' life very easy. Okay? So it's more about humanitarian. Pero nakikita ko dito it's not only other people's, but also ang highlights dito is the family affairs, di ba? So you are very, very thankful to God. Nakikita dito. Okay? Lahat ng grasya mo natatanggap from heaven, you're sharing it to the world. Di ba? Okay? Yan. So, titingnan natin, ha? Gagamit ako ng ibang tarot. Yan. So, for some of you, there is a recognition here, okay? Kung ano itong ginawa mo sa iba. It's like you are sharing your blessings to others, di ba? At nawi-witness ito ng mga tala sa langit, ng mga planeta, the heavenly bodies, nawi-witness nila, okay? Kung ano itong kabutihang sinishare mo. It's about your involvement, di ba? Problema nila, problema mo din. Di ba? Their wishes, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, pag may mga nangangailangan, kaibigan mo man ito, society, pamilya mo man ito, mga anak mo, asawa, ibig sabihin nito, you are praying hard, okay? Para malutas ang kanilang problema. If you have no capacity to help them, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, by means of prayers, okay? Diba? Kaya narito ang tinatawag, the Eight of Wands. How can you ease the broken heart of people? Okay? Halimbawa mga friends. It's about their desire, di ba? It's about what they want, di ba? So, paano mo ito, di ba? Paano ka nakakatulong if you have no money? Kumbaga dito tinatawag paano mo siya para mabawasan ang kanilang tinatawag na pighati. And this is also you, okay? Kung ito yung mga pangangailangan na iba, meron ka ring pangangailangan, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, whatever is this, tinatawag na pangangailangan mo, na sana ito ay mapagbigyan, di ba? For some of you, kilala kayo. Okay? It's like tinatawag, you're a born star. Pinanganak ka para sa misyon. It's like here, the page of the Knight of Wands. Pinanganak ka para gampanan ang isang misyon, di ba? Anong misyon? Siguro pinanganak ka para maging politiko. Pinanganak ka para maging social worker. Maybe it's like tinatawag na yung panunungkulan, pagtulong, di ba? Kasi nakikita dito your qualities, your traits, okay? What you are doing. It's not only the society, the community, the neighbors. Kahit ito yung tinatawag na, di ba? Problemang pampamilya, problema sa ibang tao, di ba? It's about your connection, di ba, sa ibang tao. So it's not only you. May mga pangangailangan ka din. Di ba? Hinahanapan mo na solusyon. Pero nakikita dito, tinatawag na you remain to what you believe. Di ba? So it's about your tinatawag na pagiging malawak na pag-iisip. Okay? So narito yung tinatawag the Ace of Cups. Yan ha? Okay? The Ace of Cups is about what you can do to others. Diba? It's only the memories. For some of you, ito yung tinatawag na sandali lang ha? Okay? You have a calling. Someone. It's like you will be remembered. Okay? Yan, no? You will be remembered. Okay? So, nakikita dito. It's like, let's say, sabihin na natin, it's like a estatwa, di ba? Maybe sabihin na natin pararangalan kayo, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, ano yung nagawa mo? So they will always remember you. The legacy you will leave on earth. Yan. It's like tinatawag, you will be always remembered. Kahit ilang generation ang dumaan. Hindi naman to kailangan dahil ang karir mo is a politician, dahil ang karir mo is nasa doktor, di ba? Sumasalba ka ng mga, halimbawa, ilang operasyon na ang ginawa mo sa pasyente, di ba? Gusto mong sumagip ng buhay, di ba? Yung mga naghihingalo, gusto mong buhayin. It's about tinatawag na, kaya na dito ang Seven of Cups. It's either their desires, di ba? Their wants, di ba? Or ito rin yung iyo, ano itong gusto mo, okay? Yan. It's about obsession. It's about possession, okay? Acquiring. So nakikita ko dito, kahit hindi ka naman sabihing politiko or tinatawag na hero, di ba? It's like tinatawag general, nanalo sa, kumbaga dito nako, naipanalo niya ang giyera. Okay? Even, sabihin na natin kahit ikay ordinaryong tao. Okay? Ano itong legacy? Iiwan mo. They will always remember you. Okay? You will be remembered. Okay? Kumbaga dito hindi basta maglalaho. Ano itong ginawa mo? For your family, for your siblings, for your marriage, di ba? Children, kapitbahay mo, di ba? Sa society, sa mga kaibigan mo, sa trabaho, di ba? Group of people, organization, what makes you a star? Kung kaya't hindi ka nila pwedeng kalimutan, it's the legacy you will leave. Okay? So, narito ang tinatawag na, okay? The Eight of Swords. The energy of the Eight of Swords biglang nagkaroon ng tao. So for some of you, ito yung tinatawag na you're in a place of a quiet. You're in a very, very quiet place. Okay? It's like you are only communicating kung sino kino-communicate ninyo. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, itong in the form of a bird, di ba? It's like very fragile ang communication na ito. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na nobody, hindi kailangan itong malaman ng iba. It's just between you kung sino yung pinagkakatiwalaan nyo. Di ba? So, ito yung tinatawag highlights dito. Whatever is this, di ba? It's like you cannot do anything because your hands are tied up. Okay? It's only about your mind, what you can do to ease the problems of others, especially the family, the one you love most. Diba? It's about your good intentions. Diba? So for some of you, ibig sabihin nito, maybe you have relatives abroad. Diba? It's like they need your help. They need your participation. They need your hugs, your embrace, your love, di ba? But you cannot do anything because your hands are tied up. Maybe you are very, very far from them. So the only way of communication is by means of, let's say, sabi nating telephone, social media, something like that, di ba? But it's very, very, it's like tinatawag na, it's you, it's only you and between this. It's like a family, di ba? Nobody, hindi kailangan ditong outsiders, okay? So, ibig sabihin ito, the king, the king of swords, di ba? What's the king of swords? Okay. Your mind is so very, very powerful, Aries. Okay, your mind. You have to realize it. Your mind is very, very powerful. What you think can happen. So be very, very careful. What your wishes may come true. Be very, very careful of what you are wishing for, because your mind is very, very powerful. My ever dearest Aries. Okay? The 4, okay? Ano yan? The Emperor. You're the Emperor. And that's your symbol. Okay? Aries, that is your symbol. Okay? Ibig sabihin ito, the world is in your hand. You have the power to move mountains. Okay? Everything you wish, you desired, you say, your action, it will happen. It happens. It happens. And that makes you, what makes you different from others. At ito'y nasasaksihan. Not only people, maraming nakakasaksi. It's like tinatawag, ito ang iyong strength, ang iyong tinatawag power. Kumbaga dito'y nasasaksihan. Maybe you're a pastor. You're a motivational speaker. You are a tinatawag pakikialam sa iyong mga tao, human, di ba? It's about nakikita dito, di ba? Saksi ang langit, ang dagat, ang bundok, ang planeta, the stars sa iyong. Yan, no? Whatever is this, you are the alchemist. You're the alchemist, Aries. You're the alchemist. Okay? So what's about this? It's like tinatawag na you're the kind of person, don't just, you give orders, but at the same time, you show them how to do it. Okay? So nakita dito, the growth, di ba? The growth, you between them. It's like sabihin na natin, may lumapit sa inyo, di ba? Okay? Pwede, ako ho ay mayroong ipakukonsulta, something like that, di ba? Kumbaga dito, tinatawag na, hindi mo lang ito binibigyan ng instruction. It's like tinatawag, detalyado ka, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, ipinapaunawa, ipinapaliwanag mo ng maigi sa kanila, di ba? Okay, kung may kahinaan ng isip itong mga ito, ibig sabihin nito, you will work for them, di ba? Halimbawa, hindi nila mahagip ang instruction, ang order. Ibig sabihin nito, bababa ka sa kanila. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, it's like ikaw ang pastol. Okay? Ang mabuting pastol sa kanila. Be it your family, your marriage, your children, siblings, other people, neighbors, society. You see, I told you, you're the alchemist. Everything you wishes, everything you pray, everything. That's why you have to be very, very careful. because your mind, your words are very, very powerful, my dear Aries. Okay? And that what makes you different from others. So, attraction. Okay? Yan. Power, your power. Okay? And it's about your love, how you love them. It's about your dedication, di ba? It's a tinatawag a lifetime fulfillment. Okay? Your lifetime fulfillment to others. Okay? Aries. Very, very powerful. You're the tinatawag dito, how you judge them by their action. So nakikita dito, tinatawag, okay? It's about your intuition. You have a very, very strong psychic power. Okay? So for some of you, you are admired. You are loved. Aries, you are admired. You are loved. You are respected. You are respected. And they look up. Yan. They look up to you. Okay? You are looked up by people. And they believe it's like you are their savior. Okay? You are the savior. Thank you very much.